Hey there, future home sellers of Boca Raton and Delray Beach. It's Alex Mendel here, your friendly neighborhood real estate guru. So you're thinking about selling your home for the first time, huh? It might feel like you're about to climb a mountain, but trust me, with the right preparation and guidance, it's more like a scenic hike. First off, let's chat about what you can expect. Selling a home isn't a one and done deal. It's a journey. You've got to list your property, show it off to potential buyers, negotiate offers, and finally, seal the deal. Depending on how hot the market is, this could take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. Now let's talk about the prep work. You wouldn't go to a job interview without brushing your hair, right? Same goes for your home. Let's start with decluttering. You know, the pile of magazines you've been meaning to recycle? Get rid of that. Then give your home a deep clean. Consider hiring a professional staging service to make your home look like it's straight out of a magazine. And don't forget about those little repairs you've been putting off. A leaky faucet or a squeaky door might seem minor, but that can be a turnoff for buyers. Choosing the right real estate agent is like choosing the right hiking guide. You want someone who knows the terrain, that's your local market, has a solid track record, and is someone you can trust. This person will be your guide, your negotiator, and your advocate. So choose wisely. I hope this video gives you a clearer picture of what selling your home involves. As a reminder, it's a journey, and every journey is easier with a guide. If you've got questions or need some advice tailored to your situation, don't be shy. Reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Alex Mendel with the Mendel Group and Keller Williams Realty, and remember, we are the key to your next home.